Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 19th to 23rd January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.43% negative move. 4596.18 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about my opinion and what is going to happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's straight away go to a weekly chart and let's see what happened on a weekly chart here. So in this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body with a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 18 to 27 level, which is indicating as a slight positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So currently we can see a good important support zones and resistance zone which are already marked. Currently we don't need to mark any much levels, but let's mark some levels in the upper side because market or gold is around all-time high, so we can mark the above levels so that you also get the above level, just that what could happen in the coming week as well. So let's now I have marked some important support and resistance. So let's now talk about the closing first. So here 4596 is the closing, direct support is 4568 and direct resistance is 4600. After direct support there is a support of 4550 and then 4525. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 4650 and then 4700. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for coming week. Also here I'll be marking some levels which I have already marked. You can also mark these levels on your chart as well. If you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Even if you don't know what is funded account, what is prop firm, how it works, what are the rules there to follow, everything I have shared on my forex playlist. You can check that out as well. I have recently got a 8 cap challenge accounts of 100k, so you can even try the 8 cap challenges. I have already shared a link in the description. You can open your account from there. We have partnered with them, so you can try that as well. So now let's talk about my opinion for this week. So currently I'm expecting a positive closing in this end, that is 4600 to 4650. I'm expecting a positive closing. If you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 4568 gets breached and a 1 day or a 4 hour candle gets closed below this, you can go for a short till 4500, even 4525. Overall, my expectations is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.